Hey guys, Bennett here from WoodWorks, and today we're going to build this one-day cutting board with purple heart, red oak, and maple. So, let's go. Okay guys, so for this cutting board, I'm just going to use some walnut, maple, and I might use like red oak and some red purple heart. I'm kind of in a hurry, so I'm not gonna do any commentary for this. I'm just gonna kind of video it and go with it. So this is gonna be like my first no commentary video. So I hope you enjoy. So let's just start. Okay, so just then I used the joiner, but then I used the planer for these smaller pieces just because the joiner was leaving some snipe and I really didn't like that. So let's just glue it up. Okay, so I've never worked with purple heart before, so I just looked it up and it said that you can use a torch to make it purple again. So I'm gonna try that because right now it's like brown. So I'm gonna try that because I didn't know that purple heart turned brown once you cut it. So I know I said that I wasn't gonna talk in this, but I mean I'm talking a little bit, but whatever. So let's try that. Okay, so I made the purple heart purple again using the torch, and I figured out that if you put it on like a higher level and then you put it far away so that the flame isn't actually touching the wood, then that works the best, and you just move it across. But it created little cracks where I glued it just from the heat, but I think it's gonna be fine. So I'm gonna sand some more and then put a finish on it. I like to do 2 coats of mineral oil and then a coat of like mineral oil and wax. I'll show it to you in a little bit. Here's my shop dog. She's a rat. I love her though. Okay, so here it is. It turned out pretty well. I've never worked with purple heart before, so that was interesting having to torch and stuff. But I think I'm gonna call this the one-day cutting board because you can build it in one day. It's the next day because the finish had to dry and stuff. But this turned out really cool. I like it. You might not be able to see the purple, but it looks really good here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like it if you liked it. Comment if you have any suggestions or think what I should build next. I'll have my Instagram right here, so go follow that and subscribe, and it will really help me out. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I will see you guys in 2 weeks for my next video. See ya.